What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and TONIC fam, back with some more bullish content for you guys. In this video, gonna dive deep into TONIC. I found a little tidbit, you know, that could be super bullish in the future for TONIC, and I don't think anyone else actually, you know, spoke about this, but we're gonna check out what is called DEX tools. I don't know if much of you know about, you know, DEX tools. But when you're into, like, you know, degen projects and projects on Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum or, you know, other blockchains, a lot of people go to DEX tools and check the trending projects on these blockchains. And what is very interesting is that there's something on the Chronos chain that applies to TONIC that is gonna be super bullish, and I'll break that down in this video. If this is something that you're interested in, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Please support all of my previous videos, guys. You know, I've been making Crow videos. They're not getting that much attention, but, you know, Crow fam, you know, it starts with Crow fam first, right? You gotta have Crow to have TONIC. So I'm gonna be doing more Crow videos. So if you can, guys, go rewatch all these previous videos. And, you know, to support the channel, leave a super thanks comment or become a channel member for shout outs in my future videos, or, you know, information that I give you guys early, right? Where any new information I find out, I'll give you channel members early. And we could also, you know, have like you know, just a members group. You know, we could do something like that as well. So become a channel member, and we, you know, I'll communicate with each member, then we could get into it, right? TONIC right now sitting at just under $21 million in market cap. A green day today, just up a tiny bit. We're still seeing this chop, man. We're seeing a bunch of chop in the markets, and I don't think it's going away anytime soon, especially with the Silvergate FUD that I covered in yesterday's video. But after all the chop is over, that's when we start to see, you know, more moves again. I'm telling you guys, don't really focus on price, man. It's gonna drive you crazy. You're gonna get bored out of your mind checking price every day. I'm telling you. And then you're gonna lose out on gains, okay? It's going to be boring just focusing on price all the time. The only time you should be focusing on price is if you're gonna be buying, okay, or selling. Okay, that's the only time. If you're a diamond hand holder, you shouldn't be worried about the short-term price action at all. I'm telling you guys, it's gonna save you trouble, okay? I know most of you guys that are watching, most of us that are you know, have a 9-to-5, or we're making an honest living, and, you know, you just focus on that. The only time you should be focused on TONIC's price is like you know, when we're in the bull market, okay? Or if we have a crazy dip out of nowhere. I don't think that's gonna happen, but that's when you focus on that, right? DCA, diamond hand, wait for the bull, man. I'm telling you guys, like, it's gonna be so much simpler, because majority of people, right, in crypto, and this has happened to me a number of times, you get distracted looking at other projects, you get distracted looking into other projects, and then you take your money out of this project, then you get into that project, and then the one you took your money out of, that's when it decides to move, make a move to the upside. And then the one you buy in, it dumps on you. It happens all the time. So when it comes to TONIC, guys, I'm telling you, TONIC, Crow, VVS, whichever if you're choosing, if you have all three, even better, diversify. When it comes to TONIC though, guys, you buy, right? You diamond hand and wait for the bull. Don't be focused on short-term price action at all. You're gonna get bored. It's gonna drive you crazy. But, you know, you could always be in tune with news and updates from the channel, obviously. But yeah, we got 24-hour volume, 71K. You know, don't worry about that, because instantly TONIC could just go crazy in volume in like a day or so. Boom, quick volume pump, volume is back up to 1 million, 2 million in volume, right? Could happen instantly, right? These are the times when you be buying though, honestly, when the volume is low. This is the time when you DCA, when it has low volume like that, up 1.35%. Everything about the project is growing. TONIC just continues to crush it, man. I'm saying the chart is holding up great, man. Bear market came, accumulation, had a nice move up. Chart is holding up great, you know. we know where this project is going in the future, guys, and you know, it's just a matter of time. I'm telling you guys, like, just be patient. That's all you got to do at this point. If your bags are packed, just be patient now. That's literally it. And when we head over the DEX tools, right? I don't know how many of you are, you know, even, you know, look at DEX tools, but DEX tools, like I said, is a way for you to find trending projects in like respective blockchains, for example. So right now for Ethereum, we have trending projects right here. I know a lot of you guys know about Hex. Hex is trending with Richard Hart. I know a lot of people know about Richard Hart, right? So we see that with DEX tools. For this is Ethereum, right? It normally gives you Ethereum first, and right here we got BNB chain, Arbitrum, Podmatic, Polygon, Aptos, Solana Aptos brand new, Solana. We have Kronos right here, Arbitrum, the layer 2. I'm telling you guys, Kronos is gonna make a big move whenever it introduces its ZK technology. Go into Kronos phase 2. Kronos phase 2, you know, is gonna, man, it's gonna be right up here next to BNB and Ethereum, right up here next to Arbitrum. That's gonna be crazy. So right here, when we go to Kronos, we take a look. Look at what we see here. Number 5, number 7, number 8. Tonic is right there. I bet you every day if you check DEX tools, you're going to see Tonic trending for Crow. Now, obviously, there's going to be other projects. I've seen people talk about this project. This is a meme coin. A lot of people have spoken about that project. Look, let's take a look right here. Tonic, boom, right here. VVS, Tonic VVS, trending on DEX tools, right? Trending right here. And look at the chart. The chart on DEX tools looks so much better on the day chart. Look at that. It looks like it's really gonna it had its move up, you know, that day when we covered it. Went to from 10 mil to 30 mil, 3x. And now it's looking like it's gonna go sideways with the, you know, chop and then start moving up again. Because a lot of altcoin charts have done this. They found their bottom, and now a lot of them are up 2 to 3x from the bottom and just waiting to continue up further. This right here, this in December, I honestly believe was the bottom of the market. December. A lot of alts did the same thing, and Tonic was one of them, right? From December, a lot of good fundamentally sound altcoins made a move up from their bottom, and then now they're doing the same thing. They're doing the same thing right now. They had a retrace, and now they're just, you know, like in another accumulation phase to make another move up. At least that's what it looks like to me. Now, Bitcoin could, you know, completely crash the party, but I do think the bottom was in December, in my opinion. We'll see though. But yeah, guys, this is very interesting, guys. Every time you open up DEX tools, you go to Kronos chain, right here, Tonic. And why this is so interesting, Tonic VVS, Tonic USDC, Tonic Wrap Crow. Why this is so interesting is because as Kronos chain develops, there's a lot of people that use DEX tools to find those trending projects on their respective chains, right? There's a lot of people that go through each of these different blockchains. I remember when some new blockchains came out, and I was going through DEX tools looking at, like, for example, Moonbeam. I was looking at DEX tools to see some interesting projects, see if I could find any new projects, right? And you could say the same thing with Optimism, another layer 2 like Arbitrum, the second biggest layer 2, right? And that's how a lot of people like me that that are all over the space. I'm all over the space in degen projects, meme coins, pool coins, NFTs. I do it all. You know, but they got people like me that you know, use different platforms to find like good projects. And think about other people like me with that mentality, with that, you know, investment like research strategy. They're gonna find Tonic trending on Kronos chain every day. It's gonna be on here. It's always here. I checked a few days ago, it's still here. Now I checked again, it's still hot. It's still the hot one of the hottest peers on the Kronos chain, right? And that's gonna be crazy when we go into a more bullish market, when there's more people in the space. A lot of people are gonna see it and be like, what's this? And then you'll see like you know, people FOMO in, or people get their hands on some TONIC because curiosity, just researching, right? Especially when Chronos chain gets bigger and bigger. So yeah guys, little tidbit of information that I found, which was very interesting. You saw it here first. If other people make videos similar to this, you saw it here first, okay? TONIC fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Really appreciate every single one of you. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you can. Support the channel, become a channel member for updates and you know, shout outs in future videos. Also, you could drop a super thanks in the comment section, man. Shout out to Chef that did it 2 times already, man. Yeah guys, I'm feeling great, man. Today's Sunday. Feeling great. You know, the market's gonna stock market opens tomorrow. We're gonna see if we open green or not. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.